Hi everyone, and welcome back to our course, Mastering OEE in Manufacturing. Today we'll look at the third and final component of OEE, quality. Looking back at our overview of OEE from Nakajima, once again you can see the 6 big losses and how they relate to the components of OEE. So far, we've talked about availability and performance. And now we're going to look at the final component of OEE, quality. So let's dig in. Quality measures the amount of production throughput that meets the required specifications compared to the total amount of production throughput. In other words, the quality component of OEE measures the effectiveness of a manufacturing process in producing good quality products. Quality is crucial in manufacturing because it directly affects customer satisfaction. Poor quality also leads to rework or scrap during the production process, which wastes materials and time, negatively impacting the bottom line. Quality is calculated as the ratio of good units to the total units produced. Good units are those that meet quality standards without needing rework and are also known as right first time units. Here's how to calculate the quality rate in OEE. Quality rate equals processed amount minus defect amount divided by processed amount times 100. Another way to describe this is to just take your right first time production, then divide it by your total production and times it by 100. For quality losses, we have two categories: defects in process and reduced yield. Defects in process occur when equipment or processes cause issues with units produced. For example, equipment that requires warm-up time causing defects until it reaches a steady state. Reduced yield comes from scrap or rework counts. Rework is included because lean manufacturers aim for right first-time production. And that's it for Module 2 on this course in OEE, where we've looked at availability, performance, and quality. Please join us next time where we'll dig into how FactBird works with OEE, specifically around our waterfall approach.